Hey all, so welcome back to another video. So this is Lucy, she's coming for a infill. So I just want to say now, before you get into the video, this is probably the worst video I've ever done. I kind of put my camera in a different position, hoping that it would be more of a bird's eye view for you, so you could see straight down of what I'm doing rather than behind me to the side. But I thought it was fine until I went back and looked at it all, and my head was in it the whole time. All you saw was my hair, really, pretty much. So I've had to cut out loads. So I do apologise, and you do still see my hair just in the right hand corner every now and then, but I'm sorry, lesson learned, I won't do it again. So I've done all my prep work on her nails, and now I'm going in with so on the baby and the ring finger, I'm doing just a thin base of clear because we're going to go in with some glitters and coloured acrylics. And then on the middle, pointer and thumb, I'm doing a normal infill. So on the baby finger here, I fold it a little bit too thin, and then a little bit of the edge come off. So I just grab a little bit of acrylic here, make sure it's really nice and like quite a dry bead, and then I just blend and just try and fill that little gap in there. It worked fine. So yeah, I'll just let you watch this, and I'm using my CJP Big Boy brush. So here on her baby finger, I'm going in with Glitter Planet's laser light. Oh, I had to think about that then until it was on. Laser lights. Got my moment blank. And I'm just doing a full now of this, trying to keep it nice and thin because we're going to cap it. I do have a coupon code for Glitter Planet, which is Tracy 10, and that gives you 10% off your entire order when you go to checkout. They do some fabulous glitters and tips and all sorts of stuff, so go and check it out. She is launching some new stuff coming in April time, I think, so keep a lookout for that too. So here on her ring finger, I'm just going to create a nail bed. I'm using CJP's Amor, and just trying to get the just the shape as perfect as I can, so I don't have to go in and file so much. So yeah, and I'm trying to keep the walls pretty. I want the walls to be pretty high today, so I'm going to make sure that the colour gets right up into those corners. Sorry, angle's completely off here, I've only just noticed. And on the other hand, I did something a little bit different, and I did record it, but my head was completely in it, so I had to delete it. You're all going to hate me for this, and I'm so sorry. But on the other hand, I just did a full, on her ring finger, I just did a full now of amor, and then I put the little, you see the little angel paper that I've cut up in the background. I just put those over it and then capped it. So pretty simple enough. So yeah, I'll let you watch. So that was me capping her baby finger, and now I'm coming back to the ring finger. So I did file her smile line nice and crisp, and now I'm coming in with Glam and Glitz acrylic and getting that right up into those corners, nice and high. I will put everything that I've used in the description box, so check that out, because I can't remember off the top of my head what colour this is, but it is the mood changing acrylic. So it's pink when it's cold, pink glittery when it's cold, white glittery when it is hot. So then I capped the nails that needed to be capped in crystal glass, and then I filed all her nails, buffed them nice and smooth, and now we're going in with gel polish on the 3 fingers that we have left. So I'm just using like a soft pink on this one, because we are going to do a Sharpie marble design. So once the gel polish is cured, I then come in with my Sharpie pens. I got these from Tesco, I think. It was like a pack of 24, I think. So I'm using 4 different colours. So I've got baby pink, like a bright pink, a lilac, and a purple. So I'm just doing little squiggly lines all over the nail. You know, doesn't even need to be neat or anything. Just get the colour on. And then I was using my size 2 CJP brush, and I was dipping it into acetone, pure acetone, and then just dabbing it over all the colours. And it just is so easy. I don't know why I've never done this before, but it really is so easy, but it looks like you've put a lot of work into it. It really does. So just blending those colours together until I was happy. So then once you're happy with that, just let that dry before you put your top coat on. So here I'm just doing it again to the other nail. I thought I'll just leave the clip in for you, so I'll let you watch this. So then I come in with gel from Nail Nails, and I just coat her two fingers that we have left, so her middle and her thumb, and then I do come in with some transfer foils and just place those randomly over the nails. I think, oh look, there's the hair. So yeah, I think these new foils I've only recently started doing as well, and they're just so easy and it looks just so amazing. Just do them, guys, because you will not be disappointed. They look like you've put so much effort into them when it really is just so easy. So now it's time for top coat. So I'm using Kira Sky's top coat here, no white top coat, and I'm just going to apply that to all her nails. So she then cured her nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, and now I'm coming in with some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. It was just the perfect sort of nails, just in time for Valentine's Day tomorrow. She's being taken out on a date. So on a date, she's been with her partner, her husband for ages, but they're going out on a date night. So they're perfect. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do. And yeah, I'm off for some pancakes now because it's pancake day. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.